Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML elements. We are talking about today is HTML quotation and citation. So quickly, let's continue. Today we are using abbr tag. This element, the HTML abbr tag defines an abbreviation. Abbr for short, abbreviations. So it defines an abbreviation or an acronym. Like if you want to write hypertext markup language, you can write HTML. If you want to add Mr. Doctor as soon as possible for ASAP, ATM. So making abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translation systems, and search engines. Tips: use the global title attribute to show the description for the abbreviation / acronym when you mouse over the element. For example, you are going to see how we do it. The p tag, the opening and closing p tag, along with the abbr inside the text. So you will enclose it and you put the text you want to abbreviate. Inside the abbr opening tag, you are going to put the title HTML attribute along with the value you want to assign to the TTS as an abbreviation. So quickly, let's go to our HTML file and see how it looks. This is how it looks. We will have, so quickly let me demonstrate how it looks for you easily. You will firstly write your p tag. This is the benefit of using VS Code again. The p tag is automatically generated when we write P and press tab on your keyboard. Now you write anything here. Wow. Ooh. Like you want to write abbreviation, you write top 10 strength, right? Let's try. Let's see how TTS works. Right? So inside here, you have abbreviate this TTS. People don't know what is TTS. You can now put it inside abbr. You can see it's automatically generated, and you have to put the closing abbr tag. So after that, inside the opening abbr tag, you can write title. You can write top 10 strength here. Top 10 strength. For people to understand what you are talking about. As you can see, it works, right? Save it and let's go to our document. Let's open it. We have to open it with our what? With our browser, with our Firefox browser. Can you see how it is? It's indented. Like when you hover on it, you will see top 10 strength. Can you see how top 10 strength displays? Let me make it bigger so you can see. When you hover on it, you will see top 10 strength. Let's see how TTS works. People don't know what is TTS, but by abbreviating it and putting the title, the title is going to display top 10 strength. So I think you can get the point. So that is how the abbr works. When you write the opening tag, you are going to enclose it with the attribute that you want to put. So, and you can design it also. You can write style, give it font family. You can do anything with it. Or Nigeria. I'm doing this for you to know that there is something powerful here. As you can see, it still works. It's very useful. So the abbr is done now. So once again, my name is Anwar, akorede, ayofe. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.